if your hair does not move when you move, you have to get another wig, okay? Get another wig. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another hair review for you guys. This is an updated review on my Unice Brazilian body wave, and I'm doing an update on this hair not only because I wasn't happy with how the wig looked before, but because it's been a little bit longer. I want to update you guys, tell you how the hair is holding up. So let's just get on to the video. I'm not going to make this long. I have an 14, 16, 18, and a 12-inch frontal, and the frontal is 13x4, so it goes from ear to ear, and I constructed the wig myself. So I honestly had to make it 2 times because the first time I made it, it didn't fit me right, and I had to remake it, and then I had to pluck it again and pluck it again. And now I'm like pretty comfortable with how it's looking for the most part. I have this wig installed glueless, so if you guys can see, it's not down all the way. I just used some mousse, some eco styler, and just kind of molded the hair to where I want it. And I find that to be much easier than using gel and spray and all that stuff to hold the hair down. But from what I can tell so far, the hair is really nice quality. It's very soft hair. Like, I wish you guys could feel it through the screen, and I have some mousse in it right now, so it doesn't look as soft as it would be if I didn't have any product in it. But this hair is really bouncy. If you can see, it has a lot of body. It's not stiff. I do this every time. You got to do the stiff check. If your hair does not move when you move, you have to get another wig, okay? Get another wig. So that's how you know this is some really good hair. It has a lot of body, and it's pretty thick for it to only be 3 bundles, and I didn't even use all of the 3rd bundle, and this is super thick because the hair is obviously shorter bundles. I think I did cut this hair just because it was a little scraggly at the ends, and I wanted it to look a little bit more full. But all in all, I think it looks really, really good. I'll try to insert some clips of the frontal more close up when I was like trying to customize it and put in the edges down. And I did post a sneak peek of this hair on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me at _EricaAndre on Instagram so that you can see when I'm posting little exclusive pics and videos of the hair that I review. But yeah, this hair is really bomb. I don't have anything bad to say about it. It doesn't shed, it doesn't tangle, it doesn't mat up. I don't have any, I really can't think of anything bad to say. The hair didn't smell when it came, and I got this hair in 2 days. Amazon Prime. I will have the exact link to these bundles listed down below if you guys want to check it out and get you some. But you really can't beat 2-day shipping. Like, how can you beat getting your hair in 2 days? That's like unheard of. I just wanted to come back and show you guys. I plucked the part a little more. I plucked the hairline a little more. And I think it looks much better than it did in my last video, which I'll have like a clip either here or here. I never remember what side that I want to put it on. But I'll have it on the screen so you guys can kind of see. It was really dense. Like, it was super dense around the frontal. And I needed to go back and plug it some more so that it would look a little bit better. So I'm much happier now. It looks much better. It's definitely more wearable, and I really like this hair. Shout outs to Unice Hair. Thank you so much for sending me this hair. I'm looking forward to working with you guys again in the future because I'm really interested to see what the other textures look like. I'm just wearing the frontal flipped over with a little part in the side, and just look. It looks pretty good, I must say myself. And you can wear this hair any way you want. Like, you could even wear this in a half up, half down, and I tend to not do that style, but you could if you wanted to, you know, like that could be a look if you wanted it to be. So the hair is holding up fine. I see so many people wear this hair and they swear by Unice hair, and I was a little skeptical at first because it's so inexpensive. So it's like, is the hair really good quality or is it like some cheap hair, you know? But the hair is really good quality. I have not dyed it or anything yet, and I'm thinking about doing a color. So comment down below and let me know what color hair I should do next. I have like blondes and I have some browns. I don't know what color I should do next. Let me know in the comments down below. I've been wearing this hair since June, and it is now September, so it's been around 4 months since I got this hair sent to me, and I've been wearing it, testing it out, and I don't have any complaints, and that's a great thing. And I don't want you guys to think that because all of the hair that I review, I tend to really enjoy that means that I'm lying. Literally, if I did not like the hair, I would not be doing the review. Like, I've been sent hair that I did not like and it has not been featured on my channel. So if there's anything overwhelmingly bad about a company and I feel like compelled to make a video about it, I will, like I did with the Ali Grace hair video, especially because I bought that hair with my own money. I felt like I had to definitely come and tell you guys to never buy from them because that hair is trash. But this hair is bomb. If I had something bad to say, I would feel very free to let you guys know. You never have to worry about me giving like some filtered review where I only say good things, because if I had something to say, I would say it, okay? Okay. And right now, I think we're at 750 something subscribers, maybe 53, 54. I can't remember. So please, if you enjoy my videos and you like my reviews and you want to see more content, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. I love all of you guys so much, and I have been appreciating all of your support. Everybody who writes me sweet messages on Instagram saying how much they've seen the growth and how much they're proud of me. So I really just want to thank you guys for supporting me. Without y'all, I wouldn't be getting any of this stuff for free, and I would be still paying for my bundles. So I really appreciate you guys, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye!